The time has come for Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos to demand the team's logistic overhaul with immediate effect. As preparations for next month's AFCON ramp up, Broos has had to deal with poor logistical arrangements that threatened the team's performance against Zambia on Saturday. First, there was hotel overbooking chaos. Then, access to their planned training venue in Dobsonville was disrupted, forcing a 40-kilometer commute to Ellis Park. Bruce, best known for his straightforward management style, must call for better logistical support from SAFA. Team manager Vincent Shekker's reliability has been questioned after past failures, including issues during the 2026 World Cup qualification. Usually the team manager is in charge of logistic operations, but he's nothing more than a dead loss. This organizational chaos highlights the urgent need for systematic improvements from SAFA. The effectiveness of logistic coordination is crucial for the team's success in the upcoming tournaments, including next year's World Cup.